Hi guys, and welcome to Black Stag Styling. Hopefully it's not your first visit to our channel and you've already been checking out some of the videos of all the styling and repairs and hydro dipping that we get up to. If you are new to the channel, thanks for checking out the video. Hopefully you'll like it and look to check out some of the other bits we get up to here at Black Stag Styling. But on this occasion, we have another Ford Ranger Wildtrak in with us. A pleasure having this in with us today to do a little bit of our styling. This has come directly from YouTube. So the guy follows us on YouTube, has checked out some of the stuff we get up to and wanted us to help with the styling on his pickup. So we have it in with us for the next sort of 3 days to do a few little bits and pieces, not too much, so some nice tasteful styling to this. So starting with the front of the vehicle, we're removing the standard grille and supplying and fitting one of our Predator matte black grilles. So this will just increase the sort of mean sort of look to the front of this. We're also removing the bug shield that it's already got on the front because that is cracked, so we'll be taking that off and fitting our grille. Then moving down to the sides of the vehicle, we are of course removing the standard wheels. It has got some all-terrain tyres on, but we're removing the wheels. We are supplying and fitting some of our Hawk matte black wheels with BF Goodrich all-terrain tyres. These are in a 20-inch, so they'll go straight onto the vehicle. A couple of minor adjustments we make just to the front, but they'll fit nicely, so no problems at all. We're also supplying and fitting the 55mm wide arches in the Wildtrak grey. So again, they're quite a tasteful arch kit. They're not too big. They almost look like a standard fitment from the factory, so they'll go perfectly with the wheels because the wheels will sit nicely with the arches. So we've got them going on as well. We're also de-stickering the vehicle, so we're removing the stickers from around the sides of the vehicle and the back and then polishing them areas up. Again, it'll just add to the look of the vehicle with the arches and the wheels. And then we are sort of finishing everything off after I've done wheels and arches, the new front grille, polish everything up, give it a nice clean to finish, and that'll be ready to go back to the customer. So hopefully you'll enjoy the video. Don't forget, please do like and subscribe to the channel, turn on the old notifications and stay fully up to date with everything we're doing. Do check out some of the other Ranger videos on the channel. We've done quite a few Rangers now, particularly our Black Stag Edition one as well. That's rather cool. And do give us a shout if we can help with anything. Right, time to roll the old intros, get the vehicle into the workshop and get cracking with the work. Here we go. Lovely jubbly.
Good afternoon, and on today's show we shall be fitting a new Predator even.
Predator, that's
yes.
The one, pal, that's the one. Let's have a look. Show us, Tommy, show us the new grille.
This is the new grille.
Lovely, looking good. Old one's all removed?
Old one's removed. Unfortunately you have to take the bumper off to get these bad boys in. I'll go to the other side because I can't see what I'm doing. One flag on man. Just the one flag on yours. And a thin. Hello. So this morning, on this beautiful morning, we're just fitting a 55mm arch kit in Wildtrak grey onto this lovely Ranger. We've already fitted the grille, as you can see over here. Did that yesterday. It makes sense to do this first because then, you know, bumper stays on. You don't really want to be mucking around with the bumper too much with the thing like that. So, if you want to see the difference, I've fitted this side. Obviously, I've got to take the pen off where I've marked it out.
Superb. Looking good.
Excuse me.
So the pen's just to line them all up, yeah?
Yeah, it's a water-based pen that will wipe off even with, you know, a bit of water and a cloth. We use degreaser because it's a bit better, but yeah, so it doesn't mark anything. Wipe it off, jobs are good. Superb.
Now we just, like to say, make sure we get them spot on.
Yeah,
exactly right.
See, we've got some nice little gaps through here, nice and neat.
We have, yeah, line up perfectly, mate. Look good.
Yep.
Superb.
They are very good kits because, you know, obviously some aftermarket stuff is absolutely rubbish.
Yeah, yeah.
So it's quite nice to find a kit that
good quality
goes on well.
Back one's on as well.
Back, yep.
Give you a little view of that. Back one's on all on this side. Superb. And then you've got your arches behind you, I think, Tommy.
Yeah, ready to rock and roll. So basically, you get a double-sided tape with the kit.
Yep.
And I've taken the little sticky back off it. And then we add a bit of mastic sealer just for longevity, because I personally don't trust that on its own. So.
No, and what we know from previous people have told us, or customers, not with arch kits we've fitted, but if you just use the tape, water gets behind it, and eventually we'll peel it off. So
yeah,
superb.
That'd be on the dual carriageway somewhere.
Yeah, that's it. So the Bond will hold them on nicely, won't it?
Yeah.
Nicely.
So if you'd like to follow me, we'll put this one on. And
let's get it on.
Show our valued viewers how it's done.
You know it. Come see the experts at Black Stag Styling, isn't that right, Tommy?
Oh yes. Oh yes.
And as you can see, Tommy uses marks to line it all up. His yellow marks.
Who's Mark?
He'll be here later.
Oh,
He's going to make the tea. Right, the decals are now being removed off the Ranger, and Tommy's been doing some polishing along the lower doors. So it's just the Wildtrak decals on the sides and on the back, and that's been polished as well. Make it all look lovely. So we are moving along nicely with this one. Ad's now about to start swapping all the wheels and doing the TPMS sensors, and we've removed the bonnet guard off the front, just giving the bonnet a little polish up as well. There we go. And yeah, then we'll be on the old home straight and get it all finished.
Hello mate.
Hello pal.
I'm just swapping these sensors over. These are Ranger wheels.
Nice.
These are the old ones. And I've got some lovely new Hawk ones going on.
We got them down there, haven't we?
We put the original sensor in, just because it makes sense.
Makes perfect sense, doesn't it?
Yeah, you know it.
Basically swapping the TPMS valves over, haven't we, mate?
That's it.
So
just
that
got the original one still on.
Yeah.
It's going to be lovely, isn't it?
Perfect, mate.
Isn't that going to be lovely?
Right, so Ad has reinflated his original wheels and tyres. We put the valves back in them, of course, as well. So the customer can have his original wheels back and probably sell them, I would imagine, because he's going to have his brand new Hawk wheels on. He's not going to want to swap these little bad boys. Here we go. Ad has got his TPMS sensor and valve ready to go into the new Hawk wheels. Rather sexy matte black wheels these, go nicely with the grille, with the Predator grille we've installed.
Yeah, lovely, a little bit of soap on there, a little bit of lubrication. Helps pull it through, you see.
So Ad's just lubing it up to pull it through the hole. Oh, thank you very much. Ha lovely. Just what I've always wanted.
I thought so. Right, make sure we sit
job
this
as always.
around and pull it through.
Easy as that. Ish.
Easy with soap on. You try going in without lube, mate.
All sorts of problems.
She's going to cause you issues.
There we go. get that inflated, and last one onto the vehicle. We'll have a quick look at the other ones on the vehicle, I think.
Have a little look, mate. Don't be shy.
Right, here we go. So the arches are all on, still marked up at the moment, but here are the new Hawk wheels. Look, looking lovely. Looking rather smart, these. Front one's on as well, so Ad's just fitting the last one. All the lights say the arches are on, so we are nearing completion now of this little vehicle. So do give us a shout at Black Stag Styling if we can help with any of your styling needs. Yeah!
Yeah, baby! Yes!
Oi.
Woo! Woo!
There you go. Well, that brings us to the end of another one of our styling videos here at Black Stag Styling. It's been a pleasure to have you along for the ride with this one, as it is always a pleasure to style the Ford Ranger Wildtraks for our customers. This particular gentleman found us on YouTube, checked out some of our other videos of the styling we've done, and decided we were the company to speak to and help him add some extra styling to his Wildtrak. So we've done a few bits and pieces to this, keeping it, you know, reasonably subtle, but definitely massively changing the look to the vehicle. So starting with the front, we have supplied and installed our Predator matte black front grille. So bumper's been off to fit this, and all been installed onto the front of the vehicle. Then moving down the sides of the vehicle, we have supplied and fitted our 55mm wide arches. So these are in the Wildtrak grey, so they then go in with the other Wildtrak parts that are in the grey on the vehicle. And then we have supplied and fitted the Hawk matte black alloy wheels in a 20-inch with some BF Goodrich tyres just to finish that look. We do some minor adjustments to the inner wheel arches with the 20-inch wheels and tyres, just to make sure there's no rubbing and no issues. So we've carried out them adjustments, all done, all onto the vehicle, and then just a little finishing touch, we have removed all the decals. So that is the Wildtrak decals from the sides. We've got the 4x4 decal that goes on the rear of the truck, and then on the back you've got your Wildtrak and your Ranger decal. So all of them have been removed, everything all machine polished up so you can't tell they were ever on there, and then all finished. Of course, a wash to finish, and now it's all ready to go back to the customer. So hopefully you've enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget, do give us a shout at Black Stag Styling if we can help with any styling on any vehicles. We have loads of different options from our styling, our accessories, and of course our hydro dipping. So give us a shout or check us out on the website. Don't forget, please do like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the old notifications. Stay fully up to date with everything we're doing that way, and then you won't miss anything we're doing. Right, we're going to give you a last look around the truck. Make sure you like the finishing touches on this. We'll hopefully catch you again soon in the near future for another video. So stay tuned, take care, and see you in the future. Thanks very much.